So this is cabin 6328 on Allure of the Seas. This cabin is after the renovation, so this hasn't been upgraded, but it was in quite a good state anyway. I don't know if the carpets were new maybe, but the bathroom was a standard bathroom, corner shower with doors, not because there is nothing worse than having a shower curtain. There's enough storage. When I first looked, I thought we're not going to fit everything in, but all the toilets fit in fine. So then we're going to go round to the wardrobe. So it's a double wardrobe. You've got a bit of a manoeuvring to open the doors, full length mirror there. And then we've got some shelving. So we use these shelving for our shoes. So it was quite handy. There is a small safe. Not big enough for our laptops, but everything else fit in. There was plenty of coat hangers, never had to ask for more, which was brilliant. And there was reading lights beside the bed, but no plug sockets. And I did go to check the phone, and no sockets in that. So that's something that really could have been upgraded, or should have been, because plug sockets in this cabin were limited. So there's a double sofa and a little table there, but then you've got your vanity area. So you've got your TV, plug sockets. You've got these 3 American plug sockets, but because we were using an adapter, you can only fit 2 in. So it's really badly designed. I don't know if that's new or old. I'm assuming old, but that was it in the whole cabin. Now, apparently there were some underneath, but I wasn't climbing down there to look because you couldn't see them. So again, storage there, so shelf storage. If you're using packing cubes, you can just pop them straight in, and the cabin hairdryer. So my Dyson Airwrap didn't work, so I had to use that, and it was fine. So then you've got more storage there, and I didn't open the mini fridge, but that's just a mini fridge, standard mini fridge. It doesn't really make things cold, but keeps things cool. I think the mattress was new because it was quite firm, but it was actually quite comfortable. And here's the balcony. So we were on deck 6, so we were behind Playmakers. You did get some smell in the corridor, but it didn't come into the cabin, so it didn't really affect us that much. But it's definitely something that you would want to consider if you're going to book this balcony cabin, that you are on the back of Playmakers. There is some noise in the corridor, but again, not in the cabin. If the wind was blowing a certain way, you could smell it on the balcony, but again, not strong. And I hate food smells, but I found it manageable. But it is something to consider if you're booking a cabin on this deck. Thanks for watching, and please do click like and subscribe for more cruise content.